I was wrong. Yeah. Back in July, I made this video testing humidity trays, but I filled this with just water and I said it doesn't matter what you put inside. But that was wrong. It does matter what you put inside a humidity tray because once your pebbles are in here, it increases the surface area, which increases the rate of evaporation. More evaporation, higher humidity. So I guess humidity trays do work. Psych, that's right, baby, I'm doubling down. Do not use a humidity tray, they do.
There's a handful of videos on YouTube testing the efficacy of humidity trays, everyone from huge creators to small channels under 100 subscribers. Generally, they notice that humidity trays can alter humidity between 1 and 4%, and most of them come to the conclusion that they're not really worth your time. But the single best experiment I've seen is from the YouTube channel Scott Grows an Avocado Tree. He tests these humidity trays and he pretty much comes to the same conclusion, but the issue that he and other commenters have pointed out is that he starts with an extremely high humidity of 60%. They say this would have worked if only he had low humidity to start with. Well, I have low humidity. I can do this test. After looking at many of these humidity tray testing videos, I have to say, the comment sections have the tendency to push the goalpost, meaning that every time a conclusion is made, the response is, this would have worked if only. If only you used a larger tray. If only you grouped your plants on the tray. If only you used hot water. If only you heated the tray. And while I may disagree with most of that anyway, isn't a humidity tray supposed to be a quick and easy way to increase your humidity? Once you start overcomplicating things, it gets to the point where using a humidifier is both easier and less expensive than this humidity tray. I really wonder, how will the goalposts be pushed with this video? In my first test, I use both aquarium gravel and perlite, but maybe something more porous. Well, I could use leca. Sure, it's marginally better at getting a higher spike than other materials, but you know what else works better than leca? Wet towels. We should all start using wet towel trays. I mean, they might get moldy faster than a pebble tray, but boy, do they work. If you truly need to increase your humidity, the most time and cost-effective thing that you can do is get a humidifier or put a dome over your plants to trap the humidity inside. In an open home setting, they're really not worth your time. Now, if you are using a humidity tray and you can see that your plants are thriving, it's because of you. You are actively trying to make your plant thrive. You are putting more time, care, and attention into your plants. You are becoming a better plant parent, and I feel it's so bizarre that you would rather attribute your success to some hack that really wasn't even working in the first place.
I really don't think I want to make these kinds of videos anymore. I mean, yes, you can use science to grow the best houseplants that you can, but there are so many other growers who get more joy from this, from habit, intuition, and emotional attachment. It's not always about optimizing everything all the time. Humidity trays aren't hurting your plants, and at the end of the day, they're just plants. You can buy them from a store. This is covered in fungus gnats.